Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hopper on your Apex pellet grill. Before we get started, make sure it's been unplugged and has had time to cool down. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to want to do is open up the lid and remove all the internal racking. Next, we're going to want to rotate these two clips so that we can remove the grease tray. For the next step, if you have the gas kit conversion, make sure to remove the heat deflectors before we undo the 4 screws. We're going to make sure that we are going to remove these 4 screws and not the 4 screws inside of the silver box. Next, we're going to be undoing 8 screws that are right around the burn cup, 4 on each side. The first 2 are here, and they just go straight back. After you've removed all 8 screws underneath, you are going to go ahead and take off this bottom plate and remove it. With the bottom plate off, you can come inside the grill, and on the left side, you're going to remove the 4 screws here, 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 and there. That will detach the hopper from the side. Next, we're going to be removing this L bracket found on the back side of the Apex. There's just 3 screws that we are going to remove, and this should pop right off. Oh. Goodness, dude. Next, you're going to want to pull all 3 of the connectors out of the hole on the hopper. This one is for the RTD thermometer, and these 2 are for the lights. And we're going to want to disconnect all of these. Make sure to keep these wires hanging out so that they won't go back into the hole when you're taking the hopper off. The last step is to remove these 2 screws that secure the body of the Apex to the body of the hopper. We're going to undo those. Make sure that when you're loosening the screws here that you have a firm grip on the handle, as this is a heavy hopper. And then once you're done with that, get a good grip and then pull it all the way out. Now that we have our hopper out of the Apex, from here you can troubleshoot or send this back to customer service. And when you get the replacement, you just install it the exact same way, but in reverse order. When you're installing the replacement or new hopper back into your Apex, it'll make it much easier if you have a buddy to help you lift it, so you can get the screws in. Now match up the connectors. Next, we're going to put the L bracket back on. Make sure to tuck all the wires underneath so that they're not sticking out. Now we're going to reinstall the 4 screws along the left side wall of the inside of the grill. Then we're going to reinstall this plate down here. last thing is we're going to take these 4 screws with washers and secure the hopper back to the body of the pellet grill. If you have heat deflectors, put those in before the racking. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video on replacing the hopper on your Apex pellet grill. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer experience helpline. Thank you.